Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Babydoge coin. My friends, this video is very interesting, very amazing for all Babydoge coin holders, because in this video I'm talking about the Babydoge coin price in 2030. What will be the price of Babydoge coin in 2030? So let me show you, but before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Babydoge coin holders, now first of all we are going to talk about the currently price of the Babydoge coin. So my friends, the currently price, the live price of the Babydoge coin in the market is very low, 0.00000001632 USD dollar. Absolutely very low price of Babydoge coin in the market. On the other hand, if you look, the price changes occur on the Babydoge coin, so 7.36% the price decrease. The price decrease in the last 24 hours. And furthermore, my friends, let me show you the price chart of the Babydoge coin. So now they are loading. I request again to please click the subscribe button now for more updates and news videos. My friends, you can see here absolutely the Babydoge coin taking a jump on this time, but you can see now at this time they are in the lows. But I hope, my friends, possibilities that Babydoge coin will again explode, and I'm sure about that Babydoge coin will take a pump again. Just remember to hold. That's why, my friends, I'm recommending for all of you in my many videos that please hold, never decide to sell. So hold it. Anyways, what you think about Babydoge coin? And now, my friends, my price of for Babydoge coin in 2030 will be 4 to 5 USD dollar. 4 to 5 USD dollar will be the price of Babydoge coin in 2030. Can you agree with me? Just like this video. Anyways, what you think about Babydoge coin, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.